Slow simmered flavor in less than 30 minutes. You have it right here in this easy vodka sauce recipe. It's so perfect and easy. Let me show you how. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making my favorite pasta sauce, vodka sauce. It's super easy to make, and it's really just creamy marinara that's been spiked with vodka. The vodka cooks off, so you're not gonna get drunk eating it. If you think kids can't eat it, they certainly can, and they love it. To make your vodka sauce, you just need a few simple ingredients, and I may have added one or two for extra flavor that your Italian grandmother may wince a little bit. If you wanna leave it out, you can leave it out. So you have to have vodka, obviously, for vodka sauce, and I like to use a good quality vodka because it is gonna cook down. You're not gonna taste the vodka, but if you use a cheaper brand, it may not taste so fantastic. We also have crushed tomatoes. I like to use fire roasted for extra flavor, but if you can't find those, it's totally fine. Tomato puree, onions, garlic, salt and pepper, heavy cream or half and half, Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of Italian seasoning, olive oil, and sugar. And I know a lot of Italians get like real hyped up when I throw sugar in my sauce, but I love it. It takes the edge off of the tanginess of the tomatoes, cuts the acidity just a bit, and you can leave it out if you don't want to use it. So let's go over to the stovetop and make some vodka sauce. To start our vodka sauce, we're just gonna heat the olive oil in a large Dutch oven or stock pot over medium-high heat. Add the onions to the oil and just cook them until they're softened. Once the onions are softened, we're gonna stir in the garlic and cook that for 1 minute or until fragrant. Stir in the oregano, and then we're going to add the vodka. Cook everything until the vodka is reduced by half, and then add the sugar, Worcestershire sauce, tomato puree, and crushed tomatoes. Stir the mixture until well combined, and then slowly stir in the cream or half and half. Season with salt and pepper, and turn the heat to low, cover, and we're just gonna simmer it for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so our sauce is ready, and it smells incredible, it's creamy, and I like the bits of onion in here, but if you want a perfectly smooth vodka sauce, you can totally take an immersion blender and puree everything together so it's nice and smooth. But I like this because it has some chunks of onion and tomato and a little bit of garlic, and it just kind of gives it like some texture. So we're just going to add some sauce to our penne for a little penne alla vodka. And I probably should have used a ladle, but bear with me while I put all the sauce on here. Maybe one more spoonful, one more spoonful, and that should be good. Always need some cheese. I'm going in for a bite. It's so good. It's tangy and creamy and rich. It's so stinking amazing. So, so good. And so easy and quick, and you can easily pull this together on a weeknight. If you like this recipe, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.